Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for software walkthroughs, reviews, and tech tutorials. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most talked about automation tools in the industry, which is Katalon Studio. Whether you're a QA tester, a developer, or someone just getting started with automation, you've probably heard that Katalon is an all-in-one solution for web, mobile, API, and even desktop testing. But the big question is Katalon Studio really the best automation software out there? We will explore its key features, pricing, integrations, and overall usability to see if it truly stands out from competitors like Selenium, Test Complete, or Cypress. So by the end of this video, we will show you our final verdict that might help you decide if Katalon Studio is the perfect fit for your testing needs. Let's begin. Katalon Studio is an all-in-one test automation platform designed to help teams automate web, mobile, API, and desktop application testing all from a single tool. It's built on top of the Selenium and Appium Freshworks because it combines the flexibility of those open source tools with a more user-friendly interface and ready-to-use features that makes the automation easier even for testers who don't have deep programming skills. If you go to the official website of Katalon, there is going to be an option for you to start a free trial. Why? Because if you take a look on the pricing plans, you would notice that they have the Create subscription starting around $84 and you get to have all these. While the Expand subscription plan starts around $168 per month and you get to have all these. And the scale is something that you need to consider talking to the sales department so that they can offer a tailored fit solution depending on your sales budget and of course your business needs. Now, having said all of that, the best thing that we can do for now is to click the Download Studio. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. From here, it doesn't require any credit card. All I have to do is download the Katalon Studio. If you click the drop-down menu, you have the option to choose from Windows 64 or all these. Okay? If you're using Mac OS and Linux, you can do so. After installing the program, you will be forwarded here, which is going to be your primary goal for trying Katalon Studio. Is it going to be like automating web application testing, automate mobile application, automate API testing, and a lot more. Now, you should sign up for a free trial so you can get a first-hand experience with the software to see how easy it is to use, understand the learning curve, and determine if it's the right fit for your business needs. We're going to click the continue. And as of the moment, we don't have any of these. All right. But if you do so, you can choose that. And right now, we're going to use that for a walkthrough tutorial. So we're going to do this. Or if you want to skip that, it's also okay. And click the Get Started. What will happen is you will be forwarded here in the Katalon platform itself. And as you can see, it's very straightforward. There are like few options on the top corner, but we are going to explore all of them. You see that there is like a start button here for you to choose if you want to create a new project, open a project, or clone a JIT project. It's up to you. If you decide to create a new project, you have to put in the name of that. All right. Now you need to choose the type. Is it going to be like web, API, web service, mobile, desktop, generic, and a lot more. Now you can start with a blank project or you can choose from these templates: Cucumber, UI tests, visual testing, Studio Assist, test projects. So we're going to do with that. It's located here and put in a description that best matches that and then click on OK. Right? What will happen is it is initializing the project with variables inside of it. And there you go. We have successfully created our first project here. Now, on the top, you have these options to explore. All right. You have the edit section if you want to edit the project. You have the project itself. If you want to debug, here it's also doing that. So you can test the project without any problem. Like if you want to skip all breakpoints, you can do that as well. The test app is one of the go-to place here in Katalon because you have the option for the ALM or test management. You can use Jira, Qtest, and TestRail. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on how to use TestRail that you might want to check on our channel, please. And then there is going to be the continuous integration with Jenkins, Bamboo, Docker, and a lot more. You have the dependency management right here using great plugins, and the window gives you the ability to reset perspective, command palette, and themes. For example, we're going to use a dark theme right now, which is absolutely great. Now, it is requiring for us to restart. We're not going to do that right now because I'm happy with what it is. You can add your keyword perspective here. You can debug as always right here. All right. And it will pop up a new window for you to explore. Now, formerly, Katalon doesn't have the Studio Assist agent mode, but now this is a new added feature. And the good thing with the Studio Assist agent mode, it can integrate with other platforms if you click on it. All right, you will be forwarded here. You have all these integrations. For example, if we're going to take a look on the integrations, you have the Azure DevOps, you have the plugins, you have all of these that you can explore on your own time. But needless to say, as you may notice, you have seen how the platform in action. It is kind of intuitive, but let me tell you that there is like a small learning curve here, but it's easy to use. All right. Now, if you'd like to explore further, my suggestion is that you can check authentic user reviews, detailed feedback, pricing information, and potential alternatives to Katalon. You can visit these trusted software review platforms like Capterra and G2.com. Now, these sites provide valuable insights from real users, helping you make a well-informed decision that fits your specific needs and budget. And with that being said, is Katalon Studio really the best automation software out there? Well, it definitely earns high marks for its user-friendly interface, cross-platform testing support, and the fact that it's great for both beginners and experienced testers. However, like any software, it's not perfect if you are looking for a fully open source solutions or need extensive customization. You might find Katalon a bit limiting compared to traditional coding-based tools. Now, if you are serious about improving your QA workflow, give the free trial a shot and see if it fits your testing style and project needs. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And as always, we will see you again in the next video.